Hello and welcome to How to Cut Out Hair in Photoshop. Hair is oftentimes the most difficult part of a subject to cut out, but it's also the most important. There are so many details that exist in a person's hair, and without including those details, a cutout simply doesn't look realistic. Now, if you're photographing a subject on a beautiful white, clean background, this can be relatively simple, and we'll show you how to do that. But how do you go about selecting individual hairs when you can barely even see a difference between your subject and the background? In this tutorial, we go over a ton of different circumstances that are going to help you cut out hair no matter what you're working with. From short hair to beards, long hair, and curly hair, you're going to learn everything you need to know to cut out hair in every situation. We've developed an exclusive technique for cutting out hair that's only available in this tutorial, and it gives you more power than any other hair technique I've ever come across. How to cut out hair in Photoshop is your one-stop resource for getting any type of hair cut out from its background. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy the tutorial.